Came across a DZ file from a Darwinia game installation and unsure how to extract it? This compression format powered indie game distribution. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Dzip archives. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open a DZ file. Here's a sneak peek. A .dz file is a compressed archive created by the Dzip compression utility, a command line tool similar to Gzip. Users encounter this file when they need to extract its contents, which could be anything from software installation files to documents. The primary user intent is to decompress the archive to access the original, larger files stored within. The .dz format uses a dictionary-based compression algorithm, likely a variant of LZ77, to reduce file size by identifying and replacing repeated data sequences. It is a stream-based binary format designed for efficient single-file compression, making it suitable for distribution over networks or for archiving purposes where storage space is a primary concern. The recommended application from Matthias Lahn for handling DZ is unequivocally Dzip. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows can tell you the file type, but retrieving the content still requires archive software. To bypass the file reading error, right-click the DZ file and choose Open With. Prioritize Dzip if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file association. When your DZ file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, extracting with Dzip tools. Use the Dzip command line utility from Introversion Software's website to extract DZ archives. Run zip xarchive.dz to extract contents to the current directory preserving original file structure. The tool is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS supporting cross-platform game asset access. Next, trying universal archivers. Some universal archive tools like 7-zip support, Dzip format, through plugins or built-in recognition. Try opening DZ files in 7-zip WinRAR or similar tools. If recognized, the archive contents extract normally. Otherwise, the dedicated Dzip utility provides reliable extraction across platforms. Finally, inspecting game assets. After extraction, explore Dzip archive contents, which often include game configuration scripts, texture files, and audio resources. Use appropriate viewers for each file type, respecting game license terms regarding asset use. Modification of extracted files may break game functionality and is generally not supported. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.